Welcome back, guys. We're in the 24 Ioniq 5 Limited. I want to show you the heads-up display and how to operate it. All right, from the home screen, we're going to slide left, go to your setup, go to vehicle, top left, and then you do have controls here, but we're going to go ahead and click on the heads-up display. Now we can see display mode. You have three options: augmented reality, you have standard mode, you see how it changes it up, and then you can also disable it if it's a distraction. Choose your view. You can also display the controls. If you needed to go higher, lower, you also need to tilt it. You have that available. If it's too bright, you can turn it down. If you needed more brightness, turn it up during the day, maybe a little less at night. All right, so AR matching adjustments to adjust the lines depending on your view, how you want them to be displayed over the actual lines. Content selection. You can choose from three: turn by turn, driving convenience, and blind spot info. Whichever you like, or you could turn them all off. Thank you guys for watching. You can like it, subscribe, and then any comments, drop it down below.